Hello everybody, this is Sanaz Salihovic and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Sapphire preferred card and we're going to be doing a quick review. Also, I will touch upon credit card churning with this card and how to get the $750 bonus. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this unboxing on the way. Alright, if you would have seen my last video on credit card churning using the Sapphire preferred card, I'll have the link in the description box below. You will know that we have applied for the card and we have gotten approved for $13,700, but none of that matters because the only reason we applied is to get the $750 bonus so we can go on a free vacation this summer. So let's get to the unboxing. The Sapphire preferred card came in a very simple envelope. It didn't even have the Chase logo or nothing on it. That's why I ended up opening it thinking it was something else completely. But when I opened it, I felt something hard. So I was like, oh man, it's the credit card. So this is all the paperwork that came with the card. There you go. Let's see if we can zoom in real quick. Bam. Alright. Here is the card. The card is metal. So it has a lot of weight to it. Compared to the other credit cards that I carry, this card has the most weight. And it feels awesome. Like, it's very firm, very heavy, very, I don't know. I guess because it's metal, it feels different. It feels way better to me. Alright, the card is smooth. It looks excellent. Very simple design. Just an awesome looking card. When you sign up to the card, it gives you 60,000 points, which is equal to about $750 that you can use to travel, towards dining, towards airplane tickets, whatever you like. So what all do you get with the Sapphire preferred card? You get a very simple envelope. You'll get this booklet that you get with like every single credit card out there. You will also get this simple letter. Is this booklet? Pretty simple, just some basic information about credit cards. Alright, then you get this little blue booklet. It just shows all the benefits that you get with the Sapphire preferred card. Alright, so let's talk about the benefits that the Sapphire preferred card offers. When you hear about the Sapphire preferred card, a lot of people get this card because it has awesome travel benefits. For example, you get 2 times the points on travel. That's why this is one of the best travel cards out there. And when you talk about travel, this includes airline tickets, hotels, dining, car rentals, all that good stuff. So it's very beneficial to get 2 times the points. The second benefit is you get 2 times the points on dining, restaurants. This includes fast food. So if you eat at McDonald's or any other fast food, you get 2 points for every dollar spent, which is pretty sweet. And then of course, you get 1 point for all your other purchases. There's no limit on how many points you can get, so you can use this card for any purchase that you like if you plan on accumulating points to do some travel. Another good benefit of this card is there's no foreign transaction fee. So if you're traveling outside of the United States, you're going on vacation, you're going to see family, you'll be able to use this card all over the world. And you do not have to pay any foreign transaction fees. But one of the benefits that I like the most on this card is the insurance that you get when renting a car. For example, if you rent a car and then unfortunately something happens to the car and you have to file a claim, you'll be able to file a claim with Chase instead of your insurance company. This is one of the best benefits that a lot of people do not know about that this card offers, which is awesome. Especially if you rent cars a lot when going overseas, this is one of the benefits that you gotta appreciate. And now let's talk about some benefits that a lot of people do not know about when getting this card. First off, being that this is a travel card, and a lot of people get this card because of the great travel benefits that it offers. With this card, you get trip cancellation and interruption protection. For example, you go on a trip for 2 weeks, and then let's say on the first week you get sick, the weather goes out of control, and you have to head home. You gotta cancel your trip, cut it short, and head back to the States. With this card, you are able to get protection and trip interruption up to $10,000. So let's say you rented a hotel or a car, all that stuff, you'll get reimbursed up to $10,000. This is a good benefit that a lot of people do not know about. If you do a lot of traveling, this other benefit you will like a lot. Let's say you go on a trip and your luggage gets stuck somewhere and it's delayed and you have to wait a couple days to pick up your luggage. This can be a pain in the you-know-what and can cause a good vacation to be ruined. But the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card got you covered. Let's say your luggage does not show up on time. All you gotta do is call Chase and tell them your luggage has not arrived. For every day that the luggage is late, you'll be reimbursed $100, up to 5 days, so up to $500. Another benefit of the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is the extended warranty. Let's say you buy a flat screen TV for $1,000 and the TV comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. With this card, you get an extra year. So now you have 3 years of warranty on your TV that you bought. Alright, now that we have gone over some of the benefits that the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card offers, now of course we got to talk about the negatives. And the biggest negative that a lot of people complain about this card is the $95 annual fee. But with the $750 credit that you get, you can pretty much use that credit to pay the $95 annual fee. And you'll still be left over with a good chunk of money. One other thing that a lot of people complain about this card is that you have to spend $4,000 in 3 months to get the $750. In my opinion, this is easily done, especially if you live by yourself and you pay all your bills. You can use this card to pay for everything, and you can easily achieve this, especially when the 3-month period. But other than these two, I couldn't find any other negatives about this card. Alright, so let's talk about the point system with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The point system can be combined with other Chase cards like the Chase Freedom, the Chase Unlimited. You can combine all the points from your Chase Freedom card, your Chase Unlimited, or any other Chase card with this card. This way you can redeem it for something even bigger, which is awesome. I have other Chase cards, and just knowing that I'm able to take advantage of all of them at the same time and combine all my points works out perfect. Especially with the other cards like the Chase Freedom, where they give you different categories and you get 5% cash back, you'll be able to accumulate points even faster. So if you have watched my previous video, I'll have the link in the description box below. You would know that we got the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card just to do a credit card churn, which pretty much means sign up to the credit card, get the bonus, use the bonus, and then go on to the next one. So now that we got the card, we did a quick review. Now the only thing that we have to do is spend $4,000 on this card and then get our $750 worth of free travel. So let's recap everything we have done so far. In the first video, I have applied for the credit card and showed you how I plan on doing credit card churning to get a free trip. And in this video, we did a quick unboxing of the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. We also did a quick review. And now the only thing that's left is to get the $750 and use the points that we have accumulated to book our free vacation. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way in the next video, I will show you how I book flights and vacations the right way so you get the most value out of credit card churning and the Chase Sapphire preferred card. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, tips, drop them in the comment box below. I will also have the link to the Chase Sapphire preferred card in the description box below. If you want to help out the channel and use that link, it will be greatly appreciated. And you can start the journey just like me and get the free vacation. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.